Thursday, April 14th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist. Hannah Evans joining us now to help us all plan our Thursday here. And you know what? Almost feels like August out there this morning, doesn't it?
Yes, it is very, very warm. It's kind of humid too. We are seeing temperatures right now in the mid 60s, looking to rise to low 70s by noon. So
I hear it's so tropical. You're looking for summer clothes already.
Yes, I was just online shopping for summer clothes.
Good for you.
Yes. So let's take a look right now at how our temperature is going to change throughout the day. We will be in the 60s this morning, rising to the 70s by noon. But around noon, a cold front will move through, bringing us passing shower or a passing thunderstorm, and we will be seeing temperatures drop into the 50s by this evening. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing dry conditions right now. A shower just passed through, but once again, we are going to be seeing the possibility of a few rain showers and possibly a few thunderstorms coming in from the west as this cold front approaches us. So a very, very warm start to today. We are seeing temperatures in the 60s. A passing shower thunderstorm is possible this afternoon, and once that passes through, we will drop in temperature, and we are going to be seeing much cooler weather ahead. So make sure you get outside this morning and enjoy the warm weather. So for today, we will reach the low 70s by noon. A thunderstorm is possible. Temperatures will drop into the 50s by this evening, and I will be tracking all of this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. New this morning, Utica Police.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up very, very warm this morning. Temperatures in the 60s, and there is the possibility to see a passing shower or thunderstorm this afternoon. So let's take a look at the CAVV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies this morning, and once again, temperatures in the upper 50s to 60s for a lot of us. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry across our viewing area. There were a couple passing showers last night, but we are dry as of right now. We are just seeing mostly cloudy skies and a few passing showers here and there, along with pretty breezy conditions. There is a cold front that is going to be approaching us as we head into the afternoon hours, and there is a line of rain and possibly some scattered thunderstorms along this cold front. So this looks to come in at just around noon, maybe a little bit after. We could be seeing a few scattered thunderstorms and some scattered showers, and then once this passes through, our temperature will drop from the 70s down into the 50s by this evening. But right now we are in the 50s to 60s. We have 55 degrees in Dowdesville, 64 degrees in Whitesboro, and 61 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, 61 in Hamilton and 64 degrees in Sherburne here this morning. So we are under a marginal risk for the southern part of our viewing area. Once again, for the possibility of a few scattered thunderstorms here this afternoon. We are also going to be seeing a high windy conditions after this cold front passes through as well. So just keep that in mind. The storms look to come in at around noon, maybe a little bit after. As of right now, it doesn't look severe at all, but just keep in mind we'll be seeing a passing thunderstorm or a passing shower here this afternoon. And as we head into the weekend, it will cool down this evening, and it will remain cool as we head into the weekend and next week. For Saturday, we are expecting a few rain showers. It is going to be a cold rain as our high temperatures are just in the 40s to low 50s. And on Easter Sunday, as of right now, it is looking dry, but mostly cloudy for a lot of us. High temperatures only in the 40s, so it is going to be a bit chilly. So let's take a look at that on the Skycast. A few passing showers are possible this morning. Temperatures will rise to the low 70s, and this is 2 p.m. Here's that cold front passing through. Could be seeing some scattered showers and possibly some scattered thunderstorms with breezy conditions. So once this passes through, you can see the temperature drops on the back end. We will be in the low 50s by this evening, and overnight tonight our low temperature will fall into the upper 30s. We will be mostly sunny starting out tomorrow, highs in the low 60s, and a few scattered showers are possible in the afternoon and evening. Scattered showers remain on Saturday, so as of right now it is showing snow, but definitely not going to be snowing. This is going to be in the upper air. It does look to fall as rain because temperatures are going to be in the 40s and 50s, but it is going to be a cold rain on Saturday. So for today, a passing shower is possible this morning. A few thunderstorms are possible as that cold front moves through. Then our temperature drops from the 70s to the 50s. Tonight we will clear out and we will be seeing low temperatures in the upper 30s. So a few scattered showers are possible tomorrow afternoon and evening, highs in the low 60s. A cold rain comes in on Saturday, highs just in the low 50s, and we are cooling down for Easter Sunday. today, highs in the 40s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It is still spring.
We're saying good morning to Clinton and all of the greater Utica region. Allergies are going to be at a medium-high level for today, and they will be at a medium-high level for tomorrow, but will get high as we head into Saturday. So if you were going to be outside, make sure you take your allergy medicine if you have it. The highest allergens right now are certain types of trees. Now, the outdoor-friendly forecast is showing that we are going to be seeing possibly some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, so definitely go outside this morning if you did want to spend some time outside. Same thing for tomorrow. It does look like we are going to be seeing some scattered showers tomorrow afternoon. Saturday is definitely a no. It is going to be pretty chilly outside, and we are going to be seeing precipitation throughout the whole day. Now, as for Easter, it does look to dry out at this point. We could be seeing a passing shower, especially up north, but as of right now, we are looking at cloudy and cool conditions, highs just in the 40s. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. As we inch close to April 14th, I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Thursday morning. And you know what? If you're listening out there right now, you may want to just open the door, go outside for just a second, because it's summer out, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, my God.
It's very, very warm and mild this morning, and we are going to rise to the low 70s by noon today, so staying warm throughout the morning and afternoon.
It almost feels warmer than like a Boilermaker morning. It's just so balmy out there right now.
Yes, and it's humid
Yeah.
too. So let's take a look at the temperatures. Right now, we are seeing temperatures in the 50s to 60s. We will rise to the low 70s by this afternoon, and then the cold front will move through. We will drop in temperature. We will drop into the 50s by this evening. We are dry right now on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but there is a cold front kind of moving towards us from the west, that line of green right there. So this afternoon, there is a possibility to see a passing shower or passing thunderstorm as this moves through, and it will drop our temperature. So very warm and kind of humid start this morning. Passing shower or thunderstorm is possible here this afternoon, and after today, much cooler weather is expected going ahead into the weekend and into next week. So for today, a passing shower, a passing thunderstorm is possible. Highs will be in the low 70s, and then we will drop in temperature by this evening, and I will be tracking all of this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. New this morning, state health officials.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up very warm this morning. A lot of our temperatures are in the 50s to 60s, but we will be cooling down by this evening. So let's take a look at the CAVI tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. All of us are seeing mostly cloudy skies this morning, and there is the possibility for a passing shower or thunderstorm here this afternoon. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry here this morning, but once again, we are mostly cloudy, a little bit of a breezy condition coming out of the south, and temperatures are in the 50s to 60s, so very, very mild this morning. There is a cold front that is going to be moving through this afternoon, just around noon, maybe a little bit after, and we could be seeing a round of some scattered showers or possible thunderstorms, and this will drop our temperature as well. We will drop from the 70s down to the 50s by this evening. So right now, once again, 50s to 60s. We have 54 degrees in Dowdesville, 53 degrees in Little Falls, and 65 degrees in Whitesboro this morning. We have 61 degrees in Hamilton and 62 degrees in Sherburne. We are looking to rise to the low 70s by around noon today, but we are also under a marginal risk for the southern part of our viewing area once again for some thunderstorms this afternoon. High winds could also be a problem as these cold front pushes through, bringing us some scattered thunderstorms and windy conditions. So keep that in mind for this afternoon. Not looking severe, but if you are going to be outside, make sure you keep an eye out on the sky. Now, after that cold front moves through today, we are going to be cooling down for tomorrow and the weekend. On Saturday, it does look like we are going to be seeing a cold rain moving through our area. Temperatures only in the 40s and 50s. And on Sunday, Easter Sunday, we will only be in the 40s. It does look dry, but we could be seeing a passing shower up north with mostly cloudy conditions. So passing showers are possible here this morning, and just around noon, this is 2 p.m., we could be seeing a few isolated thunderstorms or a few isolated showers as that cold front pushes through. Highs are going to be in the low 70s. Now by this evening, this is 5:30 p.m., we already see that temperature dropped into the 50s, and then we will be clearing out overnight, dropping into the upper 30s. For tomorrow, we will be partly cloudy cloudy in the morning. Highs are going to reach the low 60s, and there is a possibility of a few scattered showers here and there in the evening hours. Now, heading into Saturday, we are going to be seeing some more rain showers moving through the area. As of right now, it is showing us snow on the skycast, but it is going to be pretty warm for that, so we may just be seeing some mixed precipitation and some rain showers. But for today, an isolated shower is possible this morning. Scattered thunderstorms are possible this afternoon. Highs reaching the low 70s and then dropping into the 50s by this evening. We will clear out overnight with a low temperature in the upper 30s. So scattered showers are possible once again tomorrow afternoon. Highs in the low 60s. A cold rain comes in for Saturday. We are cool on Easter Sunday. Highs just in the mid to upper 40s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The international.
Welcome back. As this cold front moves through this afternoon, it is likely we are going to be seeing either some scattered showers or some scattered thunderstorms as it passes through. We will dry out overnight and remain dry for the morning hours tomorrow, but there is a possibility we could be seeing a few isolated showers tomorrow afternoon into the evening and into Saturday. It's also going to be windy for today, tomorrow, and Sunday. The breeze does remain in the area on Saturday. So for the weekend, we are going to be chilly. Highs just in the low 50s on Saturday with a cold rain. And on Sunday, we will be cloudy and cool. Passing showers possible up north. Highs in the 40s. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. Strong storm. It's Thursday, April 14th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now to help us all plan our day ahead. And for folks out there who might be hearing a little bit of a buzz, you can hear it in the studio. It's not tinnitus. There's something going on here in the building. So in case you hear it, that's what it is.
It's hurting my head. But we are very warm this morning. We are in the 60s right now for most of us. We'll rise to the low 70s today, but then we'll drop in temperature, but still a very warm day ahead.
Man, is it warm out now.
Yes, feels like summer.
Yeah, doesn't it?
Yes.
Wow.
So let's take a look at the temperatures. We are in the 60s this morning for a lot of us. Some of us are in the 50s. We will rise to low 70s by noon and then drop into the 50s once again by this evening as a cold front passes through. So we are dry right now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but there is a line. This is from a cold front that is moving through a line of precipitation, so we could be seeing a few scattered showers and thunderstorms here this afternoon, and then after that passes through, our temperature will drop. So a very, very warm start today. We are possibly going to see a passing shower or a thunderstorm here this afternoon, and then after this clears out, much cooler weather is expected ahead for the weekend and for next week. So for today, a passing shower, a passing thunderstorm is possible. Highs in the low 70s with breezy conditions. And then we'll be tracking all of this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. New this morning, Utica Police are searching
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up very, very warm this morning. A lot of our temperatures are in the 50s to 60s, but we will cool down as we head into this evening. So let's take a look now at the CAVI tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. All of us are seeing mostly cloudy skies this morning, and there is the possibility for a passing shower and thunderstorm here this afternoon. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry right now across all of our viewing area, but there is the possibility once again for a passing shower or a thunderstorm. All of us are seeing mostly cloudy skies, but there is a cold front out to the west of us. This brings in those scattered showers and thunderstorms just around noon, maybe a little bit after. And as it pushes through, we will be seeing windy conditions, and that temperature will drop on the back end, dropping into the 50s. We did receive some Skywatcher reports this morning. We are in the 50s to 60s, 57 degrees in Oppenheim, 59 degrees in Old Forge, and 65 degrees already in New Hartford. Looking to the south, we have 61 degrees in Cooperstown and 58 degrees in West Lawrence and in Morris here this morning. So we are under a marginal risk for the southern part of our viewing area for some scattered thunderstorms earlier on this afternoon, along with high winds. Nothing looks severe, but keep in mind fine. There could be a thunderstorm or some scattered showers or two here this afternoon. So if you are going to be outside, make sure you keep an eye out on the sky. So after this cold front moves through today, we will be cooling down for the weekend and for next week. So on Saturday, we are going to be seeing a cold rain. Temperatures will only be in the 40s to 50s. And on Sunday, it looks dry. There could be the possibility of a passing shower, especially for the North Country, but it is going to be cold with our high temperatures just in the 40s. So we are seeing mostly cloudy skies this morning. A passing shower is possible. And then as we head into the afternoon, this is 2 p.m., we could be seeing some scattered thunderstorms or some scattered showers as that cold front moves through. Temperatures drop from the low 70s down into the 50s by this evening. Tonight, we will drop into the upper 30s for the low, and we will be partly cloudy tomorrow morning, but then we will see an increase in clouds and the possibility of a few isolated showers here and there in the afternoon and evening. Heading into Saturday, it looks like all of us are going to be seeing widespread rain. It's showing snow on the skycast, but I have a hard time believing it is going to be snow. Probably some mixed precipitation could be mixed in there, but our temperatures are going to be in the 40s and 50s, so it is looking more like rain at this time. So for today, an isolated shower is possible this morning. A possible thunderstorm this afternoon as that cold front passes through. Temperatures will drop from the 70s into the 50s. Overnight, we will clear out with a low in the upper 30s. So tomorrow, there's a possibility to see a few scattered showers tomorrow afternoon and evening. Highs in the low 60s. We are cooling down for Saturday with a cold rain coming in. And on Sunday, we are going to be cool and cloudy, highs just in the mid-40s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It's still spring break.
Good morning to Clinton and all of the greater Utica region. Allergy counts are going to be at a medium level for today and tomorrow. They will get high on Saturday. So if you do have allergies, make sure you take your medicine. It is kind of high right now. And the highest allergens are types of trees. If you did want to spend some time outside this morning, would be fine. We are looking dry right now and it is very, very warm outside. For tomorrow, the morning hours as well would be good. It looks like we are going to be seeing some scattered showers move through in the afternoon and evening hours. Saturday is definitely a no. We are going to be seeing a cold rain all throughout the day on Saturday. But for Easter, we do look to dry out for most of us. There could be a passing shower up north throughout the day, but temperatures are going to be in just the mid-40s for the high, so it is going to be kind of cold and mostly cloudy with windy conditions. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. As we inch close to 18th, I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now to help us all plan our day ahead. And we are looking at some very balmy weather outside right now. I know when I went outside this morning, I'm like, oh my God, is it July?
Yes, it feels like summer here this morning, and this afternoon we will reach the 70s, but then after that we will start to cool down, and then we will be cooler again into the weekend.
Yeah, it's eerie almost.
Yes,
it's so warm.
Yes, so make sure you enjoy today because it is going to be the last warm day for a little bit. So let's take a look at the temperatures this morning. We are in the 50s and 60s. We will rise to the low 70s by noon. And then a cold front moves through, allowing us to drop into the 50s by this evening. We are dry right now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but I am going to zoom out. This line of green right here from the west is a cold front that is going to be moving towards us. We could be seeing a passing shower or thunderstorm as this moves through, along with breezy conditions, and it will drop our temperature. So a very warm start to today. Temperatures are going to reach the low 70s. Once we see a passing shower or thunderstorm this afternoon, our temperatures will drop into the 50s, and it will remain cooler as we head into the weekend and next week. So for today, a passing shower, a passing thunderstorm is possible. Highs in the low 70s, then we will drop in temperature, and I will be tracking all of this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. New this morning.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking very warm weather this morning and afternoon, but then we do look to drop in temperature for this evening. So let's take a look at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. A few peaks of sunshine this morning, but otherwise mostly cloudy skies, and there is the possibility of a passing shower here later on this afternoon. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry across our viewing area this morning. We are just seeing a little bit extra cloud cover coming in from the west. There is a cold front that is approaching us at this point, so once this approaches us, there is a possibility to see a few scattered showers, maybe even a thunderstorm mixed in there this afternoon. And after that cold front passes through, we will be seeing windy conditions, and our temperatures will drop from the low 70s to the 50s. So right now we are in the 50s to 60s. We have 65 degrees in New Hartford already this morning, 66 degrees in Clinton, and 59 degrees in Old Forge. Looking to the south, we have 61 degrees in Cooperstown and 58 degrees in Morris and in West Lawrence. Once again, very warm this morning and afternoon. We will rise to the low 70s. But we are under a marginal risk for the southern part of our viewing area for some scattered thunderstorms this afternoon, along with high winds. So just keep that in mind if you are going to be outside. Keep an eye out on the sky. Nothing looks severe, but we could be seeing a thunderstorm or two as that cold front passes through. Now, after that cold front passes through today, we will cool down for the weekend. On Saturday, we'll be in the 40s and 50s with a cold rain all throughout the day. It is looking widespread at this point. And on Sunday, which is Easter Sunday, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies. It is going to be kind of windy, and our high temperatures are only going to be in the 40s, so much cooler on average than what we have been experiencing. So it is going to be kind of chilly on Easter Sunday. So on our skycast, we will be seeing a few peaks of sunshine this morning, otherwise mostly cloudy skies. Highs will reach the low 70s, and by this afternoon, this is 2 p.m., this is when our cold front is starting to move through. So we could be seeing some scattered showers, possibly a thunderstorm mixed in there. And after it moves through, our temperatures will drop into the 50s. We will clear out overnight, lows dropping into the upper 30s. And tomorrow morning, we are looking partly cloudy. Temperatures will reach the low 60s, but we will see an increase in clouds in the afternoon and possibly a few isolated showers. We will continue to see rain as we head into Saturday. It is showing snow on the skycast for Saturday, but I do find it very hard to believe that we are going to be seeing snow. It is going to be most likely rain, possibly mixed precipitation, because our temperatures are going to be in the upper 40s to low 50s, but that is for the whole day on Saturday. For today, a passing shower is possible. A few thunderstorms could be mixed in there. Highs in the low 70s. We will drop into the 50s by this evening, clearing out overnight with a low temperature in the upper 30s. So we are going to be seeing dry conditions for most of the day tomorrow. A couple scattered showers come in the afternoon, highs in the low 60s. A cold rain comes in on Saturday with highs just in the low 50s. And Easter Sunday is looking pretty chilly, highs in the mid to upper 40s with mostly cloudy conditions. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The International Boxing.
Welcome back. The chance of rain goes up to likely as we head into the afternoon here. That is when that cold front will be passing through, so we are likely to see some showers, possibly a thunderstorm. We will dry out this evening and overnight as well as cool down, but we are going to be seeing some more scattered showers move in for tomorrow afternoon, and then we are going to be seeing widespread rain on Saturday. It is also going to get windy today as that cold front passes through. It will remain windy for tomorrow and Sunday, and then it will be just slightly breezy on Saturday. So for the weekend, we are looking at a cold rain on Saturday, highs just in the low 50s. And on Sunday, it is going to be mostly cloudy and pretty cool for Easter Sunday. Highs are going to be in the mid 40s. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Strong storms morning. It is 7 a.m. It's Thursday, April 14th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now to help us all plan our day ahead. And if you viewers out there can listen closely, there is a hum here in the studio, and it's been going on for about an hour now. So if you do hear it, it's not a ringing in your ears, it's right here in the studio.
Yes, it's ringing in my head and it hurts. But we are going to be warm today. Temperatures rising to the low 70s. We're already pretty warm this morning.
Man, it is so warm outside. It just feels like July already.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at the temperatures this morning. If you are heading out, we are in the 60s with mostly cloudy skies. In the afternoon, there is a chance for a thunderstorm and a shower. Highs are going to be in the low 70s. Then we will drop in temperature for this evening. So a passing shower or thunderstorm is possible as a cold front moves through. That will drop our temperatures to the 50s by this evening. And overnight tonight, we will drop even further to the upper 30s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. New this morning, Utica Police.
Welcome back. Here's a live look at the CAV tower camera. We're going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies this morning, but we could be seeing a few peaks of sunshine here and there. For the afternoon, we are going to cool down after it is very warm today. We will be seeing temperatures in the 40s and 50s on Saturday with a cold rain. And on Easter Sunday, we will be dry, mostly cloudy, and temperatures only in the mid-40s. We could also be seeing windy conditions as well. But for today, we do have a high in the low 70s. We could be seeing a passing thunderstorm. Otherwise, some scattered showers are expected as that cold front moves through. And as the cold front moves through, we will drop in temperature significantly. We will be in the upper 30s tonight. It will clear out and be cool. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It is still spring break.
Welcome back. We are very mild this morning. Our temperatures in the 60s. We will rise to the low 70s today and then drop in temperature. But let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking dry conditions across our viewing area, but there is a cold front that is going to be moving in from the west. So this afternoon we could be seeing a few scattered showers and a passing thunderstorm as it moves through. So as this cold front moves through, will drop our temperature. So we are starting out pretty warm this morning. We are in the 60s. We will rise to the low 70s. And then after, we may see a passing shower or thunderstorm as that cold front moves through, and our temperature will drop into the 50s by this evening. We are going to be seeing much cooler weather ahead after today into the weekend. Highs only in the 50s and 40s on Sunday. So if you are planning anything outside for Easter Sunday, it is going to be pretty chilly on average. We are going to be in the mid-40s, cool and cloudy. We could also be seeing breezy conditions. But for the rest of the day, a passing shower and thunderstorm are possible. Highs in the low 70s, and then we will drop into the 50s. And I will have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Quick traffic alert.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking very mild weather this morning. We are in the 60s right now, but we will drop in temperature by this evening. So let's take a look at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing a few peaks of sunshine throughout the morning, but otherwise mostly cloudy skies, and our temperatures are going to rise to the low 70s by noon. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions across our viewing area here this morning, but we are tracking mostly cloudy skies coming in from the west. There is a cold front that is approaching us at this point, and it will kind of move through just after noon, bringing in the possibility of a few scattered showers and a possible thunderstorm. As this cold front moves through, we will start to see windy conditions, and our temperatures will drop from the 70s down into the 50s. We did receive some very warm Skywatcher reports this morning. We have 65 degrees in New Hartford, 66 degrees in Clinton, and 59 degrees in Old Forge. Down in the southern valleys, we have 61 degrees in Cooperstown and 58 degrees in West Lawrence and in Morris here this morning. Once again, we will reach the low 70s, and then we will drop in temperature as we head into the evening. So we are under a marginal risk once again for some scattered thunderstorms, especially for the southern part of our viewing area. High winds could also be coming in as well as this cold front passes through. So if you are outside today, just make sure you keep an eye out on the sky. It doesn't look to be severe. Now, after that cold front passes through, we will be seeing cooler weather, especially heading into the weekend. On Saturday, our highs are only going to be in the 40s to 50s with a cold, widespread rain throughout the day. And on Easter Sunday, we will be kind of windy, cloudy. Temperatures are going to be in the mid-40s for the high. So we are going to be seeing a few peaks of sunshine here this morning, but otherwise mostly cloudy skies. A few passing showers are possible. This is at 2 p.m. We see that cold front is starting to pass through. Our temperatures at this point are in the low 70s. Then as that passes through, we will drop into the low 50s for this evening. All of that will clear out overnight. Our low temperatures are dropping into the upper 30s, and we will be seeing partly cloudy skies for most of the day tomorrow. Highs in the low 60s. But the possibility of an isolated shower or two comes in tomorrow afternoon. Throughout tomorrow night into Saturday, we are going to be seeing some scattered showers. And on Saturday, it is showing snow on our Skycast. But I find it very hard to believe that we are going to be seeing snow. It is going going to be mostly rain at this point, possibly some mixed precipitation mixed in there because our temperatures are going to be in the 40s and 50s. It is also going to be windy on Saturday with this widespread rain. Now for today, a passing shower and storm is possible here this afternoon. Highs in the low 70s, then we will drop into the 50s. We will drop into the upper 30s for the overnight low temperature. So it's possible to see some scattered showers tomorrow afternoon. A cold rain comes in on Saturday. We are cooling down into the 40s on Easter Sunday.
For joining us. What a wild day weather-wise. Overnight, it was like the middle of summer. So warm and humid, and with this unusually warm weather, often comes the chance of some thunderstorms. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now. And Hannah, the good news here, that severe weather that was to our south appears to have dissipated, right?
Yes, so as of right now, it does only look like we are going to be seeing a few scattered showers moving through later on this afternoon rather than thunderstorms. So here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry right now, but there is a line of some showers that are looking like they are going to be moving through as a cold front passes through. So when this cold front passes through, this warm weather is going to break. We are going to be seeing temperatures drop into the 50s by this evening, but right now we're looking at 77 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. It's very warm, feeling a lot like summer today, but it is quite windy at around 12 miles per hour. So a very warm start to the day. It will remain warm until we see those showers. Now, once those showers pass through here this afternoon, we will be cooling down, and we do look to see cooler weather as we head into the weekend and the beginning of next week. So for today, passing showers are possible. Our highs are right now happening in the upper 70s, even lower 80s for some areas. And I will be tracking out your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Utica Police are
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, and temperatures are rising to almost near 80 this afternoon. So let's take a look at the Marabido Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are starting to see some clouds building in from the west as a cold front approaches us, but we are getting very, very warm right now. A lot of our temperatures are in the upper 70s to even the lower 80s. Now, on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are kind of remaining dry, but we do see a couple showers coming in from our west, along with an increase in cloud cover. This is from that cold front that is going to be approaching us here right now. So it is going to bring in a few scattered showers moving through this afternoon, along with breezy conditions and a drop in temperature on the back end. We will see our temperatures drop from what they are at right now into the 60s and the 50s. So it is going to get a little bit cooler as we head into this evening, but very, very warm right now. We have 68 degrees in Old Forge, 81 degrees in Clinton here this afternoon, and 74 degrees in Otsego. So it is feeling a lot more like summer than it is spring right now. So as this cold front is approaching from the west, once again, we are going to be seeing windy conditions. We are looking at 12 miles per hour right now at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, and it is going to get windier as we head into the evening. Now, we are going to get a little bit colder as we head into tomorrow and to the weekend. So on Saturday, as of right now, two of the models are showing different things. It is looking like we are going to be seeing a cold rain on this model. And on this other model, it does look like we could be seeing some snow showers throughout the day on Saturday. So we are going to continue to monitor this. Either way, we are going to be seeing some precipitation on Saturday, whether it is rain or some snow showers. So here is what it is looking like for the weekend. On Saturday, we are tracking a mixed precipitation, possibly some snow, possibly some rain. Highs just in the 40s to low 50s. And on Sunday, which is Easter, we could be seeing a passing snow shower up north, but otherwise mostly cloudy and a bit chilly. Highs only in the 40s. So we are going to be seeing a few isolated showers here this afternoon as that cold front passes through. Now by this evening, our temperatures will drop into the 50s as things clear out. And overnight, we will be seeing temperatures drop into the upper 30s, so getting pretty chilly once again. We will be partly cloudy for most of the day tomorrow, highs in the low 60s. But tomorrow afternoon, we are going to be seeing a few scattered showers moving through. Heading into Saturday, we will start to see some precipitation moving in. This is Saturday, 6 a.m. We are seeing some rain and some snow up north. That mixed precipitation can be expected throughout the day. Highs are only going to be in the 40s. Before today, we do have a high in the low 70s, but as of right now, we are soaring up to near 80. A passing shower is possible here this afternoon with windy conditions. And tonight, a low in the 30s. We are going to be clear and cool. So scattered showers are possible once again tomorrow afternoon. And then Saturday, it is possible we are going to be seeing mixed precipitation, highs in the 40s. In the 40s once again for Easter Sunday, a passing shower can be possible up north. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Ahead of what could be a busy holiday weather in this half hour, once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are now tracking some rain showers moving in right now from the west, but it is still very, very warm outside. A lot of our temperatures are close to 80. So here's the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are starting to see some showers coming in due to that cold front. So once the cold front moves through, we will see our temperatures drop from where they're at right now to around the 50s and 60s. So right now we're at 77 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. It is getting a bit windy as this cold front is approaching. We're looking at 12 miles per hour wind speeds right now, but very, very warm. Feeling a lot more like summer today than spring. So very warm start to today, but as this cold front passes through, we are going to be seeing passing showers this afternoon, and then when that clears out, we will be seeing much cooler weather tonight and as we head into the weekend. So for today, expect a few scattered showers. Temperatures will drop into the 50s by this evening, and then we'll have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are starting to see some showers moving towards us here this afternoon, but it's still very, very warm. Temperatures near 80. So here's a look at the Mirabido Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are starting to see some clouds moving in from the west as a cold front approaches us. So here's the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are starting to see some showers approach us from this cold front. Now, once this passes through, we will drop in temperature significantly, but we are seeing an increase in clouds here this afternoon, as well as breezy conditions starting to pick up. And once again, we are kind of near 80, but once this cold front passes through us, we will drop in temperature back down into the 50s by this evening. We are looking at temperatures 68 degrees in Old Forge, 81 degrees in Clinton this afternoon, and 74 degrees in Otsego. Once again, very, very warm today, feeling a lot more like summer than spring, but we will drop into the 50s by this evening. We are also seeing windy conditions as this cold front approaches us. We are measuring 12 miles per hour wind speeds at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome right now, and as it passes through, it is going to remain windy as we head into the evening. Now, this looks to be the last warm day for a little bit. We are going to be cooling down for the weekend, and on Saturday there is the possibility of some snow. So this one model has us at all rain for the day on Saturday, but other models are showing that some snow could be produced on Saturday, so we are going to continue to keep an eye out on that. It just depends on how cold it gets, but we could be seeing some mixed precipitation and some snow on Saturday. So Saturday we have mixed precipitation in the forecast. High temperatures are going to be just in the mid to upper 40s, and on Sunday there is the possibility for a passing snow shower up north because we are going to be in the 40s for the high temperature, but otherwise mostly cloudy skies, and it is going to be breezy on both days. So if you do have any outdoor plans on Sunday for Easter, it is going to be chilly. So we are going to be seeing a few showers passing through this afternoon due to that cold front. Now, once it passes through, we will drop into the 50s on the back end of this, and we will drop into the 30s for the overnight low temperature. We will be seeing partly cloudy skies for most of the day tomorrow, and then tomorrow afternoon, there is a chance for a few scattered showers to move through. Highs are going to be in the low 60s. Heading into Saturday, we are going to be seeing an Arctic front moving through. So it looks like all rain, but as this Arctic front is moving through, we could be seeing more colder air coming in, and that is what could bring us that mixed precipitation and that snow for the day on Saturday. But high temperatures will happen in the morning. They will be in the upper 40s. So for today, we are going to be seeing highs almost near 80 as of right now. A passing shower. Scattered showers are possible as we head into the afternoon here, and tonight a low in the 30s. We are clearing out with cooler weather. So scattered showers are possible once again tomorrow afternoon, highs in the low 60s. Mixed precipitation is possible as we cool down on Saturday, and a snow shower up north definitely possible for Easter Sunday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It is still spring break.
Time now for a first look at the forecast tonight. We bring in Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. A little bit of rain out there right now.
Yeah, and what a change of a day. We started out with feeling a little bit like summer this morning. We almost hit 80 this afternoon before a cold front arrived, and it's quite different out there now. It is much cooler, and we're also tracking some scattered showers. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The back edge of the rain is starting to work into the western edge of Syracuse, and that will be arriving as we head into later this evening and tonight. So the rain does come to an end. Our current temperature is 50 degrees. Earlier today, again, temperatures in the upper 70s, and look how quickly things have changed. We've gone from upper 70s to low 50s to upper 40s here this evening. Temperatures will continue to cool off as we head into tonight. It's windy and generally sunny tomorrow with a few scattered showers later in the day. The weather in general will be unsettled. It is back to reality here in central New York with temperatures remaining on the cooler side with even some snow showing up as we head into the weekend. Rain coming to an end this evening, temperatures in the 40s. Again, we are tracking some chilly weather as we head into the weekend and also the chance for some snow showers again. A look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New York State Comptroller Thomas.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A big change in the weather today. It felt really warm this morning as temperatures made a run towards 80 degrees, but of course it's very different now as a cold front has moved in. Let's take a live look outside. Dreary conditions. Look at those low clouds. They're almost at the same level as our Cat V tower cam. At least that's what it looks like. We are seeing those clouds heading to the east, and we will get a chance to dry out and clear out as we head into tonight. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and you can see that we have widespread scattered showers. The heavy rain is moving to the east, so we are almost done with the widespread rainfall. We will see this come to an end heading into tonight. The Easter forecast, do have an update here, and it's not a really big change, but I think there's a slightly better chance that more of us will see a few scattered snow showers. Yes, I know, snow showers in the morning for Easter Sunday, and unfortunately, it's in the forecast, but fortunately, it doesn't look to accumulate or last for very long. But they are most likely going to be in the morning time, so plan accordingly. Whitesboro, 51 degrees, Dolgeville, 52. Across Southern Valleys, temperatures in the low 50s. Again, a far cry from the 70s we saw just a few hours ago, and cooler weather will continue to work in. We should get a few breaks of sunshine before the day is done. Temperatures will be in the 50s, and it stays breezy. So if you're looking to get a chance to get out and walk the dog, again, it is going to be a cooler evening compared to earlier today. Tonight's featured dog is Hercules. Cold front moving through the region, again, causing the big change in the weather. This is our weather for tomorrow. We should see a few sunny breaks, and then a core of colder air will be dropping in from the northwest, and that will continue to bring chillier temperatures to the region. Chilly tonight, overnight lows drop down to the upper 30s. We'll see sunshine for about half of Friday, a sunny start to the day. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, still looking at mostly sunny skies, breezy conditions, temperatures near 60 for the high. It does cloud up later in the day, and we do have a few showers around in the late afternoon and early evening. Some steadier rain will be developing as we head into Saturday morning. Now, a very slow-moving cold front Saturday could bring some snow to the region, most likely north across the North Country. Could be talking about a wet snowfall, a mix between rain and snow in the Mohawk Valley, and likely staying as a cold rain across the southern valleys. Again, this is for Saturday, and you can see that cold front continuing to move through. As far as accumulations go, where it remains all snow, we could be talking about a slushy inch or two of accumulation. It's not expected to be a big accumulation, but certainly enough to get your attention. Some colder weather continues to work in for Saturday evening. Clear and cold tonight, down to 38. Tomorrow, a breezy day. A late day shower, high of 63. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Chilly weather over the next couple of days. Only in the 40s on Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures in the low 50s Monday. Some rain and snow showers possible Tuesday. We'll climb back into the upper 50s by Thursday. And coming up in a few minutes, we're going to look at how this cooler weather is going to change the pollen count.
Hopefully for the better. That's what we're hoping for. All right, thanks, Bill. Police in New York Center, Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. So lots of rain, it's cool. What does that do for the allergy report?
Well, as you imagine, the numbers are going to go down, but there's going to be a delay to that. It looks like the levels will be high tomorrow, but by Saturday, I think you'll notice some relief big time as we're looking at another round of rain, even some snow possible on Saturday. And then Sunday, we're looking at medium levels. Maple, elm, juniper, the most common culprits for sneezing this time of the year. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some scattered showers continue in central New York. There is an end to this, though. We can see the precipitation coming to an end just west of Syracuse, and that is heading east. This is how things have been changing over the last hour, and eventually the drier weather will catch up to us as we head into tonight. Rain coming to an end this evening. Temperatures in the 40s. Again, much cooler now compared to just a few hours ago. We are tracking some chilly weather heading into the weekend. A look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New York's canal.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Tracking big changes in the weather. Already seeing that drop in temperature this afternoon from 70s to 50s. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cavi Tower Cam. We have low-hanging clouds, ominous conditions. This was looking towards the city of Utica. Skies, believe it or not, are expected to clear out in just a couple of hours as a cold front continues to work to the east. So live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, some light rain showers continue, but the back edge of this is working in, and we will see clearing skies take place over the next several hours. Our weekend forecast is looking chilly. Temperatures below average. Both Saturday and Sunday will be in the 40s. We're looking at a mix of rain and snow on Saturday, 44. And then a couple of flurries Easter Sunday morning. That does not look to accumulate. Temperatures look to be in the upper 40s Sunday afternoon. With the colder weather also comes the wind. It's looking windy tomorrow, breezy Saturday, and then windy on Sunday as well as Monday. And that wind is going to continue into early next week. Norway checking in with 49 degrees, Mohawk 53, Schuyler 47, across Southern Valleys, Newport 52, Cooperstown with 52 degrees, Richfield 51, and Sequoia MJ checking in with 48. We are tracking that cold front as it continues to head to the east, producing some downpours during the early afternoon, some stronger storms to the east where it's encountering temperatures in the upper 70s along with more humidity. As we look to the west, we have this break in the weather for tomorrow, and then the snow showers you see in Wisconsin will eventually settle in as we head into Saturday and Sunday. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, we see skies clearing out tonight. It's going to allow temperatures to drop into the upper 30s as we head into tonight and early tomorrow. Sunshine as we head into tomorrow afternoon. We're looking at temperatures climbing into the low 60s here. It is going to be mostly sunny throughout the majority of the day. Some clouds and a few sprinkles arrive late in the day. Temperatures will be in the 50s by dinner time. And then as we get into Saturday, we're tracking a very slow-moving cold front that brings a mix between rain and snow across the area as we head into Saturday afternoon. Likely rain south of the Mohawk Valley. In the Mohawk Valley, it's looking to be a mix between rain and snow. And then north of the valley, more likely staying snow. Where it does stay all snow, we could see an inch of accumulation. And one thing we are following is how quickly this cold air starts to sweep in. And bottom line is it's just looking chilly and raw on Saturday afternoon. Heading into Saturday night, the precipitation does come to an end. And we're just looking at some leftover snow showers for Easter Sunday morning. Clear and cool tonight, down to 38 degrees. Tomorrow, we're looking at mostly sunny skies for the majority of the day. And then clouds do quickly arrive in the late afternoon to early evening with a late day shower. Again, a high of 63. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sharply colder over the weekend. Unsettled conditions Saturday and Sunday. Monday is looking dry, 53. Rain and snow possible Tuesday, 46. Temperatures back into the 50s again, looking ahead to Wednesday and Thursday. We'll be right back.
Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Big changes in the weather today. We made it up to 79 degrees earlier today before a very strong cold front arrived. It is, of course, much cooler now. We're also dealing with some leftover rain showers. There's a few scattered showers in the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We do expect this activity to head to the east, and we will get a chance to dry out as we head into tonight with clearing skies. Current temperature is 50 degrees. Again, a far cry from the upper 70s just a few hours ago. You can see when the cold front arrived between 1 to 2 o'clock, temperatures dropped considerably. And we will continue to see some cooler weather arrive as we head into the weekend. Rain ends this evening. It's windy and generally sunny as we head into the day tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the 60s. We're tracking rain and even snow both weekend days. Temperatures in the 40s. Look at that forecast is coming up. Again, the rain does come to an end. We are tracking when the snow is expected over the weekend and if there's going to be any accumulation, and that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Utica Mayor Robert Paul.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We continue to track chilly weather moving into the region. Of course, a very warm start to the day, but that cold front certainly meant business. Let's take a live look outside. Cloudy skies, rain continues. It's a live look at our CAV tower cam. We are seeing the very back edge of this rain moving through central New York. Again, some late rain for now. This is heading east. It'll be a process, but I do think we'll be able to clear out as we head into tonight. As you're making Easter plans, we've been talking about this all week, how Easter is going to be chilly. Well, we are looking at the possibility of a couple of snow showers and flurries. I think most of us will be seeing that in the morning. We're not expecting an accumulation here. It's going to be one of those chilly Easters this year with temperatures only in the upper 40s. Breezy conditions, windy conditions over the next several days. It's a windy Friday, breezy Saturday, windy on Sunday and Monday. The wind over the next several days not looking to cause any damage, but it will be certainly noticeable and at times quite uncomfortable. Norway checking in with 49 degrees, Curtis Corners 47, Mohawk 53, Bob and Clinton with 50 degrees. Across Southern Valleys, Richfield 51, Newport 52, and Mark and Milford checking in with 52 degrees. So we're tracking that cold front as it continues to march to the east, producing some thunderstorms east of our area. We're looking at dry weather to the west. This will be our weather for Friday. You can see that we'll see some clearing skies, and that's snow in Wisconsin, and some of that will be arriving in our area as we head into the weekend. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, clear skies, clearing skies tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the 30s. We expect to see lots of sunshine for the majority of Friday. Probably about 70% of Friday is sunny, but the very end of the day, clouds and a few showers arrive. That comes in pretty quickly. Temperatures will be in the low 60s for the high. Rain begins to develop for Friday night and into Saturday as a very slow-moving secondary cold front moves in from the north. And this is expected to produce a mix between rain and snow across the Mohawk Valley, likely staying snow north. In this dark blue, this is where we could see accumulation, maybe an inch or two of slush, especially along the higher elevation. South of the Mohawk Valley, this will likely stay rain. And just depending on how quickly the cold air comes in, will determine when this transition takes place. And again, for Saturday, again, look for a mix of rain and snow. Temperatures will be dropping throughout the day, so a chilly Saturday. Chilly weather continues into Sunday. By Sunday, the bulk of that steadier precipitation will head to the east. We'll have a few hit or miss snow showers in the morning. Clear and cool tonight, down to 38. We will stay above freezing, though. Tomorrow, we're looking at mostly sunny skies throughout the day, a late day shower. Temperatures in the low 60s. Look at your Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast to get a chilly weekend. Temperatures in the 40s. Monday, we dry out 53. Rain and snow possible on Tuesday, 46. Back into the mid to upper 50s by Wednesday and Thursday. Jason.
Bill, thank you. Still to come on meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Big changes in the weather today. We saw high temperatures almost 80. We were 79. That was our high today, and that occurred just before 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Strong cold front moved through, and that brought some rain and a big drop in the temperature. The front is now to our east, so skies have been able to clear out. We're looking at generally dry conditions. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Temperature-wise, down to 41. Again, a far cry from the upper 70s that we saw earlier today. A northwest wind at 5 miles an hour and mostly clear skies. By the way, the sunrise nowadays is now before 6:30 a.m. Our temperature trend continues to go down. We'll be in the 60s tomorrow, but the majority of the next several days will be in the 40s and low 50s. Saturday's high only 44, Sunday 47, Monday's high 53, and then Tuesday we're into the 40s. In addition to the cooler weather, we also have some chances for snow in the forecast. Tonight we're down to 38 degrees with clear skies. We are tracking some snow as we head into the weekend. A look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New York State Comptroller Thomas.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. Skies have cleared out. Temperatures have cooled off. This live look at our CAV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. Rain now to the east, and we are starting to see the after effects of a cold front. It's going to bring temperatures down. Be in the 60s Friday, and then heading into Easter, it is looking chilly. It is going to be a chilly Easter, even some snow showers around in the morning. I know that gets a lot of attention these days. We're not expecting a lot of accumulation with this, but again, some snow showers in the air first thing Sunday morning. The wind is going to be around over the next several days. Windy tomorrow, breezy Saturday, windy Sunday, as well as Monday. We've got some much cooler weather working into the region. That's one of the reasons why we're seeing the wind. This time of the year when it gets chilly, the sunshine really helps to warm up the ground and create a lot of what we call mixing in the atmosphere. Round the clock tomorrow, temperatures start out in the low 40s, but we do warm up. We'll be into the 50s by lunchtime. Not as warm as today, but still looking at temperatures close to 60 in the afternoon. The wind will be around, especially in the afternoon. Look at the wind speed, almost 20 miles an hour. And that also means we will have, again, breezy conditions throughout the day. Some very light rain showers are possible later in the day after, say, 4 or 5 o'clock with increasing clouds. But overall, the day looks pretty nice. So look at the radar and satellite image. We are tracking some drier air working in from the west. A pool of chilly weather is on the way. We'll see a very slow-moving cold front Saturday that'll bring us our next chance of rain. Tonight, mostly clear skies. Overnight lows drop down into the 30s. Tomorrow, a sunny day. Most of the day looking dry and sunny throughout the afternoon. Clouds quickly work in. By 5 o'clock, overcast skies, a few scattered showers. High temperatures close to 60 degrees. Rain develops tomorrow night. A slow-moving cold front is here on Saturday. And we're thinking that some of this could mix in with some snow, especially in the Mohawk Valley and North Country. So again, this is what we're looking at on Saturday. Likely rain across the southern valleys, but in the Mohawk Valley, a mix between rain and snow. North of the Mohawk Valley, in some colder air and some higher elevations, likely to see snowfall. These areas in the darker blue have the potential of picking up maybe an inch or two of very slushy snow. Very little accumulation is expected elsewhere, with temperatures generally above freezing. And again, that's going to be throughout Saturday. Snow showers will linger into Sunday, but again, by Sunday, the precipitation looks very light. Clear and cool tonight, down to 38. Tomorrow, sunny for the majority of the day. Some late day clouds and showers, a high of 63. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Rain and snow Saturday, 44. Easter Sunday, snow showers, 47. The weather warms up slightly Monday, 53 degrees. More rain and snow possible Tuesday. Temperatures in the 50s looking ahead to Wednesday and Thursday. We'll be right back.
All right, let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
79 degrees was the high temperature earlier today. It has gotten a lot cooler than that. It's all thanks to a cold front. You notice the change in the air today. We'll see a pretty warm day tomorrow. Not as warm as today, but the bottom is expected to fall out as we head into the weekend. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The rain that we had earlier this afternoon is now long gone. Even the clouds have left the area. We're seeing clearing skies, and it's pretty chilly. Our current temperature is 42 degrees. A west wind at 5 miles an hour, and again, mostly clear skies. The sunrise, by the way, nowadays is before 6:30. Our temperature trend, again, it is looking down. Tomorrow we're in the 60s, but look at the weekend. Saturday and Sunday into only the 40s for the high temperature. 50s on Monday, and then once again in the 40s on Tuesday. So unusually chilly weather is going to be upon us as we head into the next couple of days. We're clear. We're chilly tonight. We're down to 38 degrees. In addition to the cold weather, there's some snow in the forecast, believe it or not. We'll take a look at if any of that will accumulate, and that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New York State.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is our Cavity Tower Cam. Skies have cleared out, and it's pretty chilly out there. A lot cooler now than it was at this time yesterday as colder air continues to work in from the west. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are looking at dry conditions, some light rain showers still in eastern New York, part of a cold front that came through earlier today. Let's take a look at the Easter forecast. Sunday is looking chilly. A high of only 47 degrees, even some scattered snow showers, although I don't expect the snow on Sunday to amount to much at all, but still a temperature of only 47 degrees. And also a wind, so really not a great Easter in terms of weather. The weather will be nicer later in the day. Of course, it doesn't help for many of you that are planning things around the morning time. The wind, it'll be windy over the next several days, especially tomorrow. Lighter winds on Saturday, then windy weather continues Sunday and Monday. The wind is more active into mid-April because temperatures are going to be colder. Whenever you have this clash of cold air and that strong April sunshine, you get a lot of wind. Let's take a look at the temperatures around the clock tomorrow. We start out at 7 a.m. with a temperature of 42, and we warm up pretty quickly. We'll be into the 50s for most of the day, close to 60 degrees for the high temperature in the afternoon. Look at the wind. It's light in the morning. It picks up in the afternoon, strongest around 2 to 3 o'clock. With sustained wind, it's at around 18 miles an hour. The majority of the day looks nice tomorrow. Lots of sunshine for at least 2/3 of it. But then later in the day, some clouds arrive, even a few sprinkles showing up by 5 to 6 o'clock in the late afternoon to evening. The radar and satellite image continues to show the progress of a cold front continuing to march east. The weather behind it colder. You can see some scattered rain showers to the west. We're taking a look at the forecast for tomorrow. It is looking dry, so the rain doesn't approach our area until very late in the day. Just talking about a couple of showers by 5 p.m. Temperatures again in the low 60s. Saturday, a cold front, a secondary cold front drops in from the north. We are keeping an eye on the potential for snow to mix in on Saturday. So it looks like the chance of that happening would be in the Mohawk Valley and north, and a higher chance as you go more to the north, where we could see an inch or two of very slushy snowfall across the higher terrain. And again, this is for the day Saturday. The snow comes to an end in the evening time, and we'll see some hit or miss snow showers very early Sunday. Clear skies tonight, cool down to 38. Nice day tomorrow, just a late day shower, a high of 63. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Unsettled over the weekend. Again, rain and snow on Saturday. A few snow showers Sunday, 47. Monday is looking dry, and then another round of some late rain and snow possible Tuesday. Temperatures in the 50s Wednesday and Thursday. We'll be right back.